Good morning, students. Today I will teach you how to use soldering iron, electric soldering iron. You see, it is a soldering iron, 25 watt 230 volt soldering iron. Okay, and it is used to solder different thin metal wires, mainly copper wires. So for this, to explain this, I have taken soldering iron, scissor, wire cutter, tweezer, screwdriver, soft electric wire, which is very much important for soldering, because for soldering, as it is only 25 watt, so you cannot solder thick wires. For that you require more better watt iron wires like 50 watt, 100 watt. Okay, but for our simple experiment we can use this type thin wires. Okay, and like a knife, or you can say a cutter. Then this one also you can use as a wire for soldering. This is color wire. And with soldering iron we need a stand. Okay, this soldering iron is much better than this one, but it is having LED flash indicator, so I am using this one. It costs around 250 rupees like this, and this one you can get it below 100 rupees in local market. So very handy, very useful, and it require this one lead wire or solder wire. You know, this lead wire or solder wire, and this one soldering paste, the soldering paste. So to solder any thin metal wire, any means you can say copper and we require this much item to start any work. So let me explain about the soldering iron first. The soldering iron, you see, this lower part is known as a solder bit. Is solder bit, the copper bit. Okay, you can change this one also. This one change when this tip will end, or after long wear and tear, when it damaged, you can change it. It is also available in the market with 100 rupees like this. Soldering bit, copper soldering bit. You can remove this one also like this. It has one handle, and this one body, plastic body, insulated body. Okay, and inside this you will find this nichrome filament and diode to manufacture the soldering. So you can see here it is written 25 watt and 230 volt. Okay, so now this is solder bit over. Now this stand also I have explained, stand and soldering paste, lead wire. So this is a lead wire, soldering paste, soldering iron and stand, and this one extension board. One extension board is required. By using extension board you can get supply up to your table. Now I'll explain what is the procedure to use soldering iron in plate, and here I want to solder one wire. So I have taken wire from here. I taken the cord piece, soft electric wire. So first I will do what I will do. First I will clean this surface. So I want to do it. So I will clean this one first. So wherever you want to do, first you have to clean the surface, so that layer will, okay. And this wire also you have to clean. After cleaning, you have to use paste. This paste will help you to fix the wires. Clean the surface. Then you have to put here. Before that you have to heat the iron wire. So I have used this one, paste, the soldering paste, or gum also you can say. It cost around a flux, normal flux, it cost around 10 rupees. And this one you can take a small bundle of 10-20 rupees pack also available. So this one lead wire. Okay, so let us start. So my soldering iron is hot, soldering iron hot. The students, whenever you use this one, so be careful, because it is very hot, you may get damage, but very essential. If you use correctly, then nothing will happen. So see, it is fixing here. fixing here. Now we have to add little lead wire here. Now you have to, now see, it is attaching in this one. So you can make soldering like this very easily. You can make it. Now I'll show you another place. Now see, is a battery holder. In this also, what you have to do, this is two terminals. This one positive terminals and this one negative terminals. So I want to put one connection here. Let us see. So first clean it. I clean this one. Now I will put little flux, our soldering paste. Now I will take one wire, cut piece I have taken. Now I will clean the metal portion. Now I can dip like this. Now I'll add little lead into it first. Okay, then now see. Now I'll keep like this. It is hot, so little careful about this. So it has taken only 1 minute to fix here. So I'll take another piece of wire. I'll cut it. I remove the slips. Don't make it big. If you remove much slips, then it will be a problem. So keep the metal portion a little less. So less exposure is more strength. Now put it like this. Now add. Hold it like this. Now see, it is connected. Okay. So now I want to see this one on volume control, or you can say variable resistor. I want to add another here. I taken the wire, because soldering is important. If you learn soldering, you can make many projects. So it's ready. I'll put it in. Now I'll this one. See, it has one hole. So insert the wire inside the hole. Now see, it has connected. So this way you connect your project items, and after this you have to switch up the soldering iron and allow it to cool down. Okay, students, always keep on the soldering iron on a stand and wooden table. Okay, and use all insulated items. Even though it is very helpful, but you have to be careful, otherwise you may get shock or you may get any injury. So with the help with your parents, you under the guidance of your parent, you do the soldering. That will be helpful for you. Thank you.